Getting started with Autodesk Fusion 360. After installing Fusion 360 on your system, a shortcut icon will be installed on your desktop. Double-click that icon and it will launch the Fusion 360. And when Fusion 360 is launched for the first time, it'll load all its files that you need. And here's the initial interface. Let's take a look at this initial interface. Over here is called the browser bar. And this area here shows us all our items that are in our drawing. Across the top here, this is called our quick access toolbar. Across here, this is called the ribbons. All right, and we'll have different ribbons based on what types of things we have as a workspace. So depending on what we're doing at the moment, we'll get different tools. So this is the render ribbon, for example. I'll come back to design. Over here, we have our extensions. We have our job status. We have any notifications. And we also have our help screen. And I like the help screen in Fusion 360, so please give it a try. In there, you're going to find access to community forums, the galleries, etc. So it's actually well done. To get started, we're going to come over here into our quick access toolbar. We're going to go to File. We're going to click on New Design, and this is the best way to get going. And you're going to find that the user interface here, let me do a few more things down here, by the way. In the user interface, we have the navigation bar and display settings down here at the bottom. And down here, we're going to have our timeline of our design. So you're going to find that the interface is actually pretty user-friendly. And one thing you might want to do is right-click at any given time, and it will have basically shortcut menus of things that you most likely will need at that point in time. So that you'll find that very useful when you're designing, is to right click at times, and depending where you're right clicking and what you're doing, you'll get different options. So getting started with Autodesk Fusion 360, we're going to learn the user interface. This interface has these different tools such as the ribbons, the quick access toolbar, the browser. You'll need to know where those things are at, and we'll cover each one of these things here in the upcoming videos.